Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope everybody had an amazing new year and I hope everybody is ready for this year. Anyways, this is our first tutorial for the year and I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these poetry locks with Janet Collections crochet poetry locks. I did them as individuals instead of the regular crochet and I'm going to show you exactly how, so let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got poetry locks or butterfly locks or whatever you want to call them. I actually did these myself. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already seen the entire process because I filmed a lot of it and put it on my story while I was doing it. So I promised you guys that I was gonna film the process and show you guys how I did it because I use crochet hair to do this and I did them as individuals. It's actually pretty easy. The hair I'm using is from Janet Collection. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you're notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So I've done most of the locks, as you guys can see. Currently I've used about 4 packs, so this is 4 packs. I just have 8 pieces left in front and you can see how full and how thick it is. So these are the locks. So I was sent 5 packs of 1B Janet Collections poetry locks or butterfly locks and 1 pack of 613. So there are 12 locks in each pack. Depending on how full your hair is, 4 or 5 packs should be enough. From the pack, if you look closely, there's actually like a little instruction section for how to take care of the hair, how to wash it and all that stuff. So this is how the lock is. As you can see, since it's a butterfly lock or a poetry lock, it looks very, very messy. As you can see, it's not like a smooth lock. So that is how the style of the lock is. So that actually helps to our advantage for the method I'm going to be showing you guys. Since it's not a smooth lock, it's a very messy lock, so when you're done twisting your hair in it, it doesn't really have to look like neat. These locks are made for you to do the actual like regular crochet method. So it comes with the loop at the top for you to like crochet it into your hair like you would normally do if you're doing the regular crochet method. But I personally don't like to do the regular crochet method because I don't really like the look of crochet. I prefer individuals, and 2, crochet normally rips out edges sometimes, so I just like to do individual locks. Whenever I'm using Janet Collections hair, I like to look for ways to use their crochet hair to do individual locks. Now there's this popular method where you wrap your hair in the lock or twist or whatever you're using, but my hair is too long and too thick for that and it's not going to work for me. So what I ended up doing was that I just twisted my own hair into the lock, and I'm going to show you guys that right now. So before I actually started installing the locks, I went ahead and sectioned off my own hair. I have 53 sections in my hair. I just did like little sections all over my head. So I'm going to take my hair and unravel my twist. So you see, unraveled. Now I'm going to take the lock, open up the loop at the top like this. Take one piece like this and pass it through. Pass it through the loop. And slide it down. Take the 2 pieces. So I have my hair on this side, I have the lock on this side. And you're just going to start twisting your hair into, twist your hair and the lock together. So my hair is still on this side and the lock just twisting both. And if you use hair, the lock hair that matches your own hair, it actually makes it look like it is your hair. As you can see, there's no knot, so it makes it look like it's your hair that's just growing from your scalp, so you don't have any knots. And I'm just gonna twist, continue twisting. Sometimes like the lock might become bunched down as you're twisting, so you just like slide it up as you're twisting. So I'm just twisting. Make sure that your hair is moisturized. My hair is moisturized. My own hair is very, very moisturized before you twist it into this hair so that it doesn't dry out your hair. See, this is like the little piece of my hair that I have left. I'm going to twist everything into the lock and it's actually going to hold. So if you want, you can look for like a little space in between the lock and just tuck your hair inside, just like a little space in the lock, but it will stay. And just adjust the lock. See it from the roots. Can you see how it looks in the roots? And let me show you guys another section. So you take your lock, open up the loop like this, unravel your twist into 2 pieces, pass one side through the loop, slide the lock down, make sure it gets to the roots, take the 2 sides like this and you start twisting. Start to twist your hair on the lock. Remember, if the lock is pushing like down, you can always spread it back up like this and just twist. See, this is my hair. So you look for like a little space in the lock and just tuck it in somewhere and just adjust the lock. And okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the remaining sections. So yeah, that is basically how I'm twisting my hair into the lock. If there was any part of the process that was difficult for you guys to follow, or if I didn't explain it properly, please let me know and I'll try to explain it as best as I can. But it's basically a very straightforward process, and it's also easy for you to take down because you just simply untwist your hair from the lock. The longer your hair is, the longer the twisted portion will extend. If your hair is shorter, the style will actually look a bit neater, because right now it looks like twists at the top that transition into locks at the ends. But again, if your hair is shorter, you wouldn't have this length of twists. So obviously the amount of twisted portion you have will depend on the length of your hair. Okay, I'm almost done. 1 piece left. Okay, now I'm doing the last and final section. This took me a few hours to do, but I was doing other stuff in between as I was doing my hair. So it should take you like a couple of hours, maybe like 2 hours or 3 hours, depending on how fast you twist. But yeah, it shouldn't really take you long to do at all, especially if your hair is shorter, because you wouldn't have to twist as much. So this is how the locks look like when I am done. I absolutely loved how they were looking. I also went and got some jewelry from my local beauty supply store. So the next phase we're about to enter right now is putting jewelry in the locks. This is 5 packs. It looks so beautiful. It looks so full. It looks so thick. Oh my god. So now time to start putting the jewelry in. So I'm going to start with the cuffs first. I posted when I was in the store buying the jewelry on my Instagram story, and a couple of people told me that they don't have local beauty supply stores that have these types of jewelry. So you can definitely check Amazon. I think they have some stuff on Amazon that will work as well. I'm in Chicago, so we have a lot of beauty supply stores where you can find good pieces and hair jewelry and all that kind of stuff to use. But yeah, just check Amazon if you don't find anything. So now I'm about to put these rings, and I'm also putting little cowries on the rings. All of this came in the packs of jewelry that I bought: the cowries, the rings, the cuffs, even the gold thread that I'm tying to my lock right now. So I found everything in my local beauty supply store. If you're in Chicago, it's the beauty supply store on 34th and King Drive. So this is it. I'm now going to go ahead and change into something nice, put on my makeup, and come and show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the final look with everything put together. I actually filmed this part of the video a few days after I filmed the process of me actually doing the locks. As you can see, the locks do look very nice. My hair didn't unravel or anything like that. I absolutely love how the locks look. I've been getting so many compliments on them since I did them, and since it's cold in Chicago, it really helps cover my head from that cold. Okay guys, so this is a few days after I actually filmed doing the locks, and the locks still look pretty nice. My hair hasn't unraveled or anything like that. It has stayed twisted in the lock, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is basically how I did this hairstyle with my Janet collection butterfly or poetry locks, however you want to call it. It's a very beautiful style. I've been getting a lot of compliments on these locks since I've been wearing them out. The method I showed you guys is actually pretty easy and pretty straightforward. Your hair is not going to get tangled or anything like that, and it's also very easy to take out the locks because you can just simply untwist it. So if you have any questions at all about any part of the process or the technique, just ask me down below and I'll try my best to answer. I'm gonna put all the information and all the details down below if you guys want to get the locks. They're a very beautiful protective style. Let me go so you guys can see. So this is, see, and they're pretty long too, like they are very long. So it's a very nice style, especially when you put like jewelry, and oh my god, it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.